إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء فجعلناهن أبكارا عربا أترابا لأصحاب اليمين.
In Jannah, my brothers and sisters, the Prophet of Allah, he tells us that you're going to look in the mirror and you're going to be the most amazing creation that ever walked the earth. Wallahi, in this dunya, grab the most beautiful woman on the face of the planet, the most breathtaking woman, and tell her, look, if you can change a couple of features within yourself, what would you change? Wallahi, she'll give you a whole list of things. Perfect in every way. This is Jannah. When you see your wife in Jannah for the first time, it is said you will be lost in awe for 40 years. For 40 years. Then when you look away and look at her again, she's gonna be more beautiful than when you first looked at her. Over there she only gets better. And your wife, so your wife of dunya, if she's there with you, the Prophet of Allah tells us that your wife's beauty compared to the beauty of Hur al-Ain is like the light of a candle compared to the light of the sun. Uncomparable. All this Allah has prepared for you. The Prophet of Allah tells us your tent in Jannah, not your house, your tent in Jannah will be carved out of one single pearl, the height of which is 60 miles high and 60 miles wide. This is your tent. Your palaces in Jannah, their bricks will be made of gold and silver. The mortar that brings the bricks together will be made of musk. All this is for you in Jannah. All this is for those who are holding on, for those who are patient for that little bit in this world. All this Allah has prepared as a reward for you.